Hey guys, welcome back to the Daingeon. On today's episode, we're going to go over a brand new projector screen from Severtson Screens. Stick around. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe below. Like mentioned previously, we're going to go over the unboxing and setup of a brand new 120-inch fixed frame projector screen from Severtson Screens. Make sure you check out all of the different products that Severtson Screens has to offer for your home theater at severtsonscreens.com. In today's video, I'm going to go through the unboxing, the setup of this 120-inch projector screen here in the Daingeon. So thanks again for joining me, and let's get going. Let's begin by taking a look at the Severtson Screens website. If you navigate to severtsonscreens.com, you'll find that they have several products, both in the consumer goods as well as residential. In this portion, I selected residential, and you can see from their list of products, they have several to choose from. In this video, we're going over the Legacy Edition. Now, this is a standard screen as well, fixed frame in position, and it has several different materials and sizes to choose from. Make sure you take a look at the severtsonscreens.com website, as well as their Facebook or Twitter accounts. Upon arrival, the Severtson Screen Legacy Edition arrived in a large protected box. It was packaged very well. The materials were broken down into several pieces, making assembly and shipping very easy to put together. Now, this model is the 120-inch screen, and it came with a roll of the CineWhite material, which is a 1.3 gain. Beginning the assembly is a very simple process. Make sure you lay out all of your pieces following the instructions. As you get to the joints, you'll piece them together with L brackets and straight brackets and assemble them with the included hardware. It's a good idea to keep the hardware loose at the beginning and make sure that each joint comes together without any gaps. Once the frame is assembled, position it in an area where you can then roll out the screen material. As you can see here, the frame is laying upside down and the material will go over top with the projection side down. It is important to keep a barrier between the floor or your assembly area and the screen material to prevent any type of smudges or damage. After you roll out the material, make sure to add the center support brace and begin using the fiberglass rods and connection springs along each side. Continue to follow the directions, installing the springs side by side at a time to continue tension across the entire surface. Once the tension is achieved, carefully position the screen against your wall, use two people, and mount it. Once the screen is in place, you'll notice that the material is very, very nice. Unlike other brands, the Severtson screen material has a very smooth yet still matte finish that allows for great light projection and dark scenes. As you can see in these pictures, with the lights on in the Daingeon, you'll notice that the image still comes through very clear. It is somewhat washed out, but that is to be expected with any projection device when you have your lights on at 100%. Dimming the lights down to 50%, however, changes the atmosphere completely. You get high definition picture quality and you still have room to move around and see what you're doing in the background. Then, of course, you come to the favorite part, which is movie time or lights off experience. This screen is fantastic. The colors are very, very smooth. Everything reflects uniform across the screen. And the impressive black levels on a CineWhite screen are something I have not seen in any of my other tests with different manufacturers. Even when gaming on the legacy screen, you'll notice that the colors really pop and the uniformity is just what you need it to be. The black bezel around the edge allows for any type of reduction in overcast with the image, so you can be certain to have a perfect squared up resolution in any game mode or movie time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you visit SevertsonScreens.com and definitely check out all of the products they have to offer. Thanks again for joining me here on the Daingeon, and I'll catch you guys again later.